Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the 5 best courses and certifications to start your career in intellectual property rights. Before we begin, first we will discuss who is an intellectual property manager, and then, his roles and responsibilities. So, let's understand, who is an intellectual property manager? An intellectual property manager is a professional that possesses a mix of business administration skills, strong knowledge of patent laws, trademark laws, skills and expertise in a technical or creative field. He is responsible for creating an organization's intellectual property strategies. Under the direction of an assigned administrator, they manage their employer's intellectual property assets by providing professional support and analysis. Some of the roles and responsibilities of an intellectual property manager are: creating and understanding the invention, strategizing protection, articulating the inventions, understanding nuances of language, prosecution and filing, teaching, training, and raising awareness are all important aspects of the job. Technology evaluation and promotion, policy, philosophy, and advocacy are all aspects of research. So, let's get started with the best courses and certifications. First is Vskills Certified Intellectual Property Rights and Legal Manager. Vskills is India's largest certification body. It provides government certification and is valid for a lifetime. This course includes 12 learning hours. In this course, you will learn various topics like knowledge of patent laws, trademark laws, trends and design. The concepts covered in this course are copyright, patents, trademarks, industrial designs, protection of undisclosed information, and more. Second is Intellectual Property Law Specialization by Coursera. This intellectual property law specialization is offered by the University of Pennsylvania, one of the U.S. leading universities. The course claims that learners identify the types of intellectual property protection law. The duration of the course is 4 months. The concepts covered in this course are Introduction to Intellectual Property, Copyright Law, Trademark Law, Patent Law, and more. Third is Intellectual Property, course bundled by LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning offers a wide variety of courses. These courses are best for professionals already working in this field. The courses claim that the learners will get lectures on various topics including patents, trademarks, and other protections. Some of the courses offered by LinkedIn Learning are Understanding Intellectual Property, Understanding Patents, a deeper dive, Consulting Foundations, Understanding Trademarks, a deeper dive, Business Law for Managers. Fourth is Intellectual Property Rights, a Management Perspective by EDX. This course will provide insight into the competitive and strategic advantages of enterprises by using intellectual property rights. You will learn about the different types of intellectual property as well as the strategy, valuation and asset management of it. The concepts covered in this course are an introduction to intellectual property, types of intellectual property, strategy, valuation and asset management of intellectual property, views of the stakeholders, and more. Fifth is Patents and Trademarks, learn the patent and trademark process by Udemy. This complete patent and trademarks course is divided into 12 mini courses that are available to you in one single course. You will learn about patent rights and the basics of patent law. Moreover, you will also learn how to deal with others using your trademark. The concepts covered in this course are types of patent, patents 101, trademarks, and more. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.